Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this integral from negative a to a look tough, but we can solve this quickly using symmetry. Let's find the answer together. First, look at the function x times the absolute value of x. Since negative x times its absolute value equals the negative of the original function, we know it is odd. Whenever you integrate an odd function over a symmetric interval from negative a to positive a, the areas on both sides of the y-axis perfectly cancel each other out every time. Since the total net area is 0, the integral equals 0. Option B is the final answer. You solved this calculus problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given information and check steps for success.